how to fix DNS Probe finish bad config error in Chrome. So watch this video till the end to know how to do it. So first of all, you can restart your router and Wi-Fi connection and restart your computer, because restarting computer and Wi-Fi solve many issues. So next step is to flush DNS. For this, you need to open command prompt in your system, type cmd, right click here in command prompt and click on run as administrator. So first command which you need to run is ipconfig flush DNS. So enter this command and flush the DNS completely. Next is you need to type in ipconfig /release. I will give you all this command in the video description as well, so check out the video description. Next command is ipconfig /renew. Next is netsh Winsock reset. Just press enter. After that, you can change the DNS server. So for this, you need to go to the settings of your system, open setting, go to network and internet, click on Wi-Fi, click on change adapter options. From here you can select Wi-Fi or Ethernet. I'm using Wi-Fi, so right click here, click on properties, double tap on IP4. This will open up. Herein you need to click on use the following DNS. First of all, you need to type in Cloudflare DNS if you want to use Cloudflare DNS. So these are the Cloudflare DNS. Preferred DNS should be 1111. Alternative DNS should be 1001 and click on OK. Otherwise, you can add Google DNS. Google DNS preferred DNS should be 8888 and alternative DNS should be 8844. So you just click on OK. Whichever suits you, try both of them, and whichever suits you, go for it. Also click and clear DNS cache for Google Chrome. So type in this command. I will give you this command in the video description. Just press on enter, and here you need to click on this option, clear host cache. So now you need to reset Chrome network settings. For this, you need to go to the settings of your Chrome. Click on settings in your Chrome. You can see reset setting is showing at the left hand side. Just press on reset settings. Click on restore to their original default. Just tap on this and click on this option, reset settings. After that, make sure to reset the network setting in Windows as well. So again, go to the settings of your system, and in settings you need to again click on network and internet. Scroll down at the bottom, you can see there is an option of network reset. Just press on this network reset and click on reset now. So after following all these steps, make sure to restart your PC as well and check again whether you are getting this issue or not. And in case you still face any problem, you can mention it in the comment section and make sure to give a reply. And if you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.